Magnitudes are in equilibrium on distances / radiuses from the center of the lever / ellipse reciprocal with their weights / tangents. Mathematical science. Magnitudes are in equilibrium on offers from the center of the commercial deal reciprocal with their demands, marks and angles. Communistic economy. Magnitudes are in equilibrium on offenses from the center of the martial arts of war reciprocal with their defenses, Shotokan karate kung fu. Magnitudes are in equilibrium on yin from the center of the Tao reciprocal with their yang, Shaolin religion. Magnitudes are in equilibrium on obligations from the center of the justice reciprocal with their legal rights, judgmental legislation. The Fisrot question is, what is all that is lever? The whole unilever sum and its parallel manifestations. And now what, if the magnitudes are not in equilibrium? Does it turn off the validity of the lever law? Now between two object everybody can guess what reciprocal means. F1 times D1 equals F2 times D2. But what, if the number of the objects is 3 or more? How would you define reciprocal then? Let's stay at the lever with two objects for a while. Isn't the expression absolute value of F1 times D1 minus F2 times D2 equals 0, a determinant of 2 times 2-dimensional matrix? Now are the magnitudes scalars, vectors, matrices or what? Now release that 2x to determinant normatively, it becomes matrix, then multiply it with orthogonal trigonometric rotary matrix. Is the lever law only static or also an dynamic law at the same time? Does the center of the lever in equilibrium has magnitudes too, and of what sort? Is it somewhat, on one hierarchical level above all the other objects? Can a lever be lever consisted of sublevers and levers from above? What, if the lever has cyclic hierarchical structure, the most young of all to be parent to the oldest of all? How do you evaluate the total imbalance of one object with weights and distances alone? If yin weights from right down, then yang lightens from left up. And then too, where to it weights there it must go, but where to it stands there from it must lighten up. How much is the total weight and total distance in the lever? Did Newton take the lever law in consideration, while writing the completely wrong mathematical Principia of Nature and his God-forsaken mechanics with 4 non-so-ever related laws? I say the famous Archimedes statement from 250 BC that we now know, as lever law is 100% theory of everything. All you need to do is put it on dashboard and run total grammar analysis.